All right, guys, this beast, just bought this truck, all right? What is this thing? A 21 Chevy 6500 diesel, four-wheel drive, absolute monster, okay? This thing, it's the crew cab, it's the long bed, okay? I honestly forget what the wheelbase even is on this. I have the specs. This is on my site for sale. Just posted this bad boy. It is the diesel. The rare, like, this thing is a work truck, but it's got a bunch of options. I think it's 15 or 20 grand in options on the sticker, okay? And if you guys want to know exactly what it is up on my site at markmartinmotors.com. But you got, like, all this stuff is just stuff the guy put on, the boxes on the side, right? But you got, I mean, this thing, it's a beast, right? And then we had to, I mean, when we bought it, these guys came with it, right? Just some little, you know, little good-looking caps there. But the interior, this thing has got the, here, I'll go around to this side. But this thing's freaking huge. But yeah, like leather wrapped steering wheel, fixed center console, you got the phone charger, you have power seats, you got the bigger touch screen, heated seats, all that's optional equipment on this truck, integrated trailer brake controller. Thing's an absolute beast, right? So if you want a beast, check it out. We got it. Fresh in, guys.